Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Ricky Cadden back again with another free Wednesday stock review from Real Life Trading Australia. Hope you guys are having an absolutely profitable month. Here at Real Life Trading, you can see, here's just a quick look at our swing trade journal. Currently up 19 Rs for the month, 73.3% win-loss ratio, and we have got some green trades going on here. I mean, check out VSTO. VSTO, we had a nice little four-bagger here, 4-hour trade. Another 3.4-hour trade here, 2-hour trade. I mean, this is just absolutely phenomenal. It's only the 17th of February, and we're already up 19 Rs. So, guys, this is also not taking into consideration the put sales that we've got also expiring this month as well. I mean, just all these trades right here just absolutely going bonkers. So if you guys do want to be a part of real life trading and watch and follow our trades, hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au. I will leave a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. But it is only $159 per month, and you can also get the premium bundle, which is $24.95 per year, and this does actually in fact include 2 bonus one-on-one coaching sessions with me as well, and they are at value of $1,400 based on the current prices that we have here today. So make sure you guys get involved. But let's talk about the broader markets. I did mention that we were going to trade higher and then possibly have a little bit of a pullback once we get up to around 393 and some change. You can take a look at the E-minis here. We are getting a little bit of selling pressure up here. Beautiful volumes. There's a lot of pressure up here as well. If we do have a small pullback, guys, it'll possibly just come back down to the 10 EMA on this one. Here's Zoom, ticker symbol ZM. Now we did have our trailing stop based back on our trade journal. You can see here Zoom. Where's our Zoom trade? Zoom trade is right here. So you can see here we did end up following Zoom for a nice little 1.81R trade. Now we are currently gapping up, a nice little retest gap, and pre-market, as you can see here, small little gap down, but most likely we'll look to buy the dip. We are stopped out of this trade, or trailed out of this trade, for a profit. Well done to the whole Real Life Trading team who did take this one. Here's another phenomenal trade that we are in on Boeing. Now we did get into this trade back here with a synthetic long. Now those of you who don't know what a synthetic long is, this is actually one of my favorite strategies out here, and this particular trade setup, you won't actually learn about this particular trade setup anywhere else on the internet except at Real Life Trading. So make sure you guys do jump on board, and I'll teach this to you. But Boeing right now is looking to break out and start to trade higher. I do think that we will come and find some resistance up around the 223 mark, which is this particular resistance level here. Great volume the last previous day, and I just think we are going to break out and continue higher. Here's the ASX 200. In the ASX 200, we did get a retest gap, which did fade all day, and we are looking a little bit bearish. So wait for this little pullback to occur, possibly back down to the 10 or the 20 EMA, and then look to buy the dip. Got a request from Jasmine W to take a look at APT and Bitcoin. So APT, Jasmine, we do have earnings coming up just around the corner, so keep that in mind. We are currently back down at the 20 EMA. Now we have bounced off this level just a little bit before. This particular candle not looking as bullish as this one, just simply because it's bearish. We are getting some volume. Just wait for a little bit more of a consolidation at this particular level. We may have something that looks a little bit like this, in which case, if we do come back down to the 50, that would be a sensational dip buying location. But the earnings is just around the corner. Wait to see how we play on that one. If we do gap down, it does look like it is a very nice dip buying location if we do buy off the 50 EMA, as we have bounced off this area before. So keep that in mind, Jasmine. Here is Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin currently sitting around 51,000. Monster gains. Absolutely incredible. Well done to everyone who keeps holding Bitcoin. Right now, it's just in a bullish trend. I would stay bullish. Look to buy all the dips that you possibly can on Bitcoin. Looks fantastic. Stay one with the trend and keep on trading bullish. Here's crude oil. Now, crude oil, I did mention that will most likely come up to 62.37. 62.37 is our next target on crude, and we are currently uptrending to that level. We did have a really nice small little breakout and retest of the 10 EMA, and we do look like we will continue higher. Gold, however, is starting to break down a little bit, finding a little bit of support here right now as we speak, which is quite good to see. If you take a look at the longer term moving averages, we are still below everything, but longer term we are still at a very nice key level of support. So old support, old resistance becoming new support. If we do start to close fairly bearishly below this on the weekly chart, then I would be a little bit more bearish than bullish at this point. But given where the dollar index is right now, you can see on the daily chart we are still below the 100 simple moving average. Does remind me a little bit of what happened back here in October and November. So I'll just wait to see if we do actually break above this 100 simple before I look to take gold bearish. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. Now the Aussie dollar currently at a previous level of resistance. We are having a little bit of an evening star reversal pattern, and hopefully we can stay above this descending triangle or this nice little wedge pattern that we got here. And if we do look to find some support here, this would just be a nice little fake out and then trade back down to this nice little support level at 76. Alright guys, I'll be back with another free stock review on Friday. If you have any tickers you would like me to look at, put it in the comment section below and I will review them for you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your week, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. You guys rock. Bye.